Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video, I'm simply going to guide you on how you can turn on or enable portrait mode on Snapchat while you are taking a snap. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to turn on portrait mode on Snapchat. In this video, I'm simply going to guide you on how you can actually find and use the portrait mode feature on Snapchat. So simply make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. So simply make sure to update it from your app store, and once you update it, simply go about opening the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you open Snapchat, you can see this is how the home interface is going to look like. Now for iPhone users, what you can do is, if you want to turn on portrait mode, let's say while you are taking a quick snap right over here. Let's say that you actually want to turn on portrait mode for iPhone users. What you can do is you can simply scroll down your navigation menu. Now for iPhone users, you want to simply scroll down, and here you would actually find the option called effects, and once you tap on effects, you would have at the option to actually turn on portrait mode for iPhone very easily. But for Android users, you don't actually have that option. So what you can do is, once you come back on the snap screen right over here, once you select your Snapchat, let's say you actually want to blur the background of this snap right over here, what you can do is, from the top right hand side, you can simply tap on this plus button. As you tap on the plus button, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen until you find the option called focus. So go ahead and simply tap on the focus button. As you tap on focus, here you want to simply tap on the area which you want to focus. Let's say I want to actually focus on this flower pot right over here, or this flower vase, and as you tap on this, you can see the background is automatically going to get blurred a little bit. And this is the only way you could actually use the portrait mode feature on Snapchat, that you want to go to focus and then actually tap on the icon or the image or your object on which you want to focus, and the rest is automatically going to be blurred. So this was it on how you can very easily actually turn on portrait mode on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, make sure to simply leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.